What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? DJ Vision IT. Welcome to the stream. Looks like our stuff is working. Our chat. Very nice, very nice. All right, we're just working on random things as we do. The Trotman Show. That's quite the video title, if I do say. Yeah, it is. It is a title. How you doing today, Trotman? Thanks for stopping by. Just got my Jarvis Hermes agent hooked up to an actual Jarvis voice model. Living the dream. Nice. We are working a little bit on this in the right spots. That look good? Oh, okay. We're working on getting the pasta tracker onto the App Store. Basically, everything looks good at this point. Okay. I might send you a clip of his voice. All right, yeah, send it over. All right, let's listen to this. This is Trotman's Jarvis. Oh, can you? Oh, you guys can't even hear the music or anything. Hold up. I wonder if the stream yesterday didn't have music on it either. All right, let's see if. Nope, can't hear it. Yeah, here.
Good evening, David. Alex asked me to provide a brief demonstration of my new voice. I understand Quad's lab is where vibe coding meets real building, with live streams, Claude Code, and currently, a statistically significant amount of pasta. An unconventional development environment, certainly, but I have seen worse dependencies. I am Jarvis. It is a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I never really got into Iron Man, so like, is that what Jarvis really sounds like? Or I want to check the stream yesterday. What's up, everybody? You can, man. Most of everyone are all hype. Yeah. Here, we'll just ask Claude. Yeah, the music was working yesterday. Okay, we're good. Okay, I guess we'll restart the music here. Well, yeah, sounds good. Alfredo, nice. We're 1 for 1 right now. 50-50 Alfredo marinara. How you doing, Data? Can't have pasta without Will Smith. How's everybody doing today? We're just going through the Google Play console to get the pasta tracker onto the Play Store. And just kind of doing a lot of loose ends on a lot of different projects, so we're gonna be switching through. Tags. What kind of tags? Pasta? Asleep been lately? For me, it's alright. Activity tracker? No. I don't know. What would the tags be? Food? Oh, food and drink. Yep. Um. I don't know. I put recipe. I've done 90 applications over 3 weeks, had 2 interviews and 2 more on Friday, all diff companies. Nice. Yeah, keep it up. That's what you gotta do. Okay, it says I need to select. Oh, category. Food and drink. Set up your store listing. Alright, let's start generating some new things. Okay, I want you to look at the App Store graphics that we generated inside the TWA folder. We made a process to add like the little avatars at the bottom with speech bubbles. I don't really like the way they look, and they're all on the same side, and the speech bubbles don't line up. Can you generate new assets for those speech bubbles and get the pipeline to regenerate those for us? I'm getting this ready to deploy onto the Google App Store. We also need a feature graphic. I think we already have one, but it's really lame. Maybe you could just generate an asset for us in the appropriate size. They want 1024 pixels by 500 pixels. All right, can you give me a short description and a full description for the Google Play Store console app listing? Would you like to run this command? Why is it not in auto mode? That's gonna be annoying. Let's do this. Did you guys get your codex reset tonight? I did. Woohoo! Yeah, go ahead and make it say it's free, and save this to the MD file in the main root directory for me. If there's anything else I might need for the Google Play Store text-wise, go ahead and save it in the same MD file. Had recruiter screen and she said, or she asked a bunch of technical questions. Okay, good. Yeah, usually the recruiter is pretty easy to get past. You know, they ask a few technical things and okay, well that's cooking. We're gonna switch over here. We're working on tip-tap games also. Oh, Data, I didn't even see your message earlier. Did you get your GPT reset? Yes. Yes, I did. Oh, lifestyle is a category. Choose up to 5. Food, drink, cooking. Oh, cooking, journaling, collecting, lifestyle. Okay, we should look for those tags. Alright, we're just gonna wait for Codex here to regenerate those new assets for us. Let's actually start a new Codex up too, so we can generate multiple assets at a time. Okay, we are rebranding the website to pastatracker.com. So I want you to make sure you regenerate any assets for our branding that we need to and replace them in on the site for us. Alright, I need one more Codex terminal actually. Go low. But sleep. Why the change in brand name? Because I don't want to get sued for trademark infringement. Okay, Codex, I installed, there should be a folder in this repo for I think it's a printful MCP server, and it should be already configured with like an API key and everything else. Can you confirm that? Don't post that API key here, but just confirm that it's set up and make sure that it's working. Yeah, because, you know, pastapass.com and pastapass.app, it can be considered copyright. But we got pastatracker.com, which is, I think, just as good. Okay, while that's working, let's see. Is there any other assets that I need to regenerate? I think there are. That makes sense. I thought you were going for a pasta passport at one time. That was before I bought the first domain. But after more talking with Claude, pasta passport might overstep onto their trademark. And at one point they did have pasta passport tour of Italy or something like that as a trademark too. Alright, I think he remade our assets here. Marketing, framed. What do you guys think of this? I think these look good. Cool. I think you like them. Thank you. Yeah, I like them too. That was a combination of Codex and Claude. App icon, phone assets, add assets. Can I dragon? I don't think this works. No, it doesn't. Okay, upload. Here we go. Can we upload all of them? Add. Am I adding it? Oh, that's an app icon. Oh, wait, here they are. Which ones are duplicated? How many of them do I have? I have 8. None of these look... Oh, this one's duplicated. There we go. There we go, perfect. Is this the new one? Pasta pass. Track every play, earn every stamp, collect all 202 stamps in your pasta passport. Oh, he doesn't know. We need you to change the branding on the feature graphic because we are branding it as Pasta Tracker now instead of Pasta Passport. That reminds me, I'm gonna have to regenerate all those images anyways. Can you also generate a app icon 512 pixels by 512? Did you save that API key in the .env so the other agent can use it? Okay, can you save it? Okay, I added the API key. Can you tell me, is it good to go? Is it ready? Pasta tracker, there we go. Can you generate us a app icon also? Oh wait, he did. You gotta go new crib or just move your desk. Oh, you could tell that things are moved around. Yeah, I just moved my desk a little bit. Actually, I'm on my other desk. The desk that was behind me is now in front of me. And my old desk is right there. Technically, that one's newer, but whatever. Welcome back to the stream. How you been? Glad you're here. We're included npm run. TWA store icon. This is the icon. I guess that looks good. I don't know. Can you review the icon design specifications here and make sure that the app icon aligns with it? All right, we're gonna see how far Claude or Codex can go in designing and setting up merch for us. So we got merch here, a merch folder, and this is what I generated earlier. I'll show you. Made 2 mockups. We just download them and put them in the folder, then I'll show you. Alright, all merch, and then we have shirts mock up. Okay. So we got this one. These are the shirt mock-ups. This was just done right through ChatGPT, the website, through the chat. Obviously they say pastapass.app, we'll fix that. And then this is all the merch here. What I'm thinking is shirts, hoodie, hat, bag, apron, mug, and maybe stickers. I think those are going to be kind of like the easiest ones to do. Apparently that's still good. Okay, there we go. Pasta tracker. There's our app icon. We need to update all of these actually. We gotta remove them. Okay, go ahead, commit everything, all the changes that are in the repo, and push it. Even changes that you haven't done, it's fine. Just commit everything. Okay, so we'll make sure that the app is updated or pushed, the new branding and everything. One more thing, can you make sure our Android TWA app is all updated with the new domain name? And also, for that app, there should not be a home screen, right? Like they shouldn't be able to get to the landing page. So can we fix that somehow? And make it, make it like a polished experience. When they first launch the app, you have to log in, of course. Okay, so verified API key set, good. Okay, I made a new folder called merch. I put two mockups in there. One is a mockup with all just different merch on there. Um, and then the other one is just like kind of meme t-shirts. And what I want you to do is work inside that folder and generate high quality assets for us for our merch. And like I plan to make, you know, at least 8 of those t-shirts. Whether they're the designs on that page or not, we'll have to recreate them because we need to make sure we're using the correct um, pasta tracker domain instead of pasta pass. And so I want to make all the shirts. I want to make the hoodie, the mug, the hat, the bag, and the apron, and maybe stickers. So I want you to generate the assets, and then once we maybe maybe start with one T-shirt, generate an asset for one T-shirt, but make a plan to generate everything, and then we'll start with the one T-shirt and see how you can interact with Printful to add that design to it. As a safeguard for this first one, let's wait until I review the asset, and then I'll tell you to use the MCP server. What's up, Tricker Trav? Welcome again. How you doing? Okay, so we need to putting a game on your site right now. Nice, dude. I'll try to review it here. Let me know when you do it. If you have any trouble, let me know. Did you use the MCP server? Am I able to restart this exact same chat and it'll be accessible? If so, tell me how to do that. Did you update the website with the new branding for the new domain name? I just pointed Codex to your site, so I guess we will see how it goes. I don't love MCP. Yeah, that's fine too. Yes, I'm not a big fan of MCP either. I prefer CLI, but CLI is it's in the plan. We actually have like a way bigger plan for developers to make things super useful and easy. But yeah, if you point it to the SDK, there's an LLM SDK as well in agents documentation. So I don't know if you hear. Let's take a look real quick. So I don't know if you did this, but inside you go to the docs here. All docs for an agent. There's just a text file here with everything that it needs. So. Okay, deployment failed. Alright, we'll have to wait for this agent to finish its thing and then we'll have it deploy it. Let's do this. Vibe coding won't get you a job. Oh, thanks, man. I love you, Chess. Welcome. How you doing? Beautiful advice. I love that. Yeah, dropping knowledge. You hear that, guys? Make sure you listen to him. He's a smart fella. Does this /quit? Okay, I restarted you. Can you check to see if you have access? What else? What else? Now the real question, Chess, are you still with us? Because I have a question for you, since, you know a lot of things. Yes, I now have direct access. Okay, it's ready to use. Alright, let's give him this, and let's give him this. I don't know why people just come in here, drop one comment, and then leave. Like they're shy or something. It's, you know what it is, they can't handle the love. That's what it is, they can't handle the love. Okay, we're building now. Did you rebuild the TWA? And can you reload it onto my cell phone? Some people, Data says some people are drive-by knowledge sharers, man. He had other places to spread joy to and had to bail. Yeah, you're right, I didn't want to monopolize on all of his time. So, I can share. Hopefully he'll come back to us one day. Okay, it looks like there's a deployment build failed. Go ahead and look at that, fix anything, and then go ahead and commit and push it so we try to rebuild again. The collection plan is now saved in merch. Okay, good. Let's just take a look here. T-shirts, 8 initial designs, track, eat, stamp, repeat. Let's take a look. Does that match up exactly here? Track, eat, stamp, repeat. Talk pasta to me. Carb loading is my cardio. Starch is my love language. Hasta la vista, hunger. Okay. In my unlimited era, powered by pasta, will code for pasta. Is that a good one? Will code for pasta? See the mock-ups that he's making. Okay, we'll let him cook on our merch. Can you make sure the TWA is also built afterwards and make sure it's deployed on my cell phone? This is pretty good though, right? You know what? We started 2 nights ago, and we have a full-fledged website, full-fledged app. We're about to submit to the Play Store. We're about to have a merch site. That reminds me. Let's start. I wonder. Let's start a new codex. Man, why do I want to use codex so much? All right, status 92%. We already used 8%. Okay, no worries. I want you to review the store pages on the website and do a polish review. Look at the store as a whole, and review every single piece to it. I want this to look like $1 million store. So review every single component and polish every component, every section, every flyout, every checkout page, every single page of it. Okay. Codex built our thing earlier. Did you update the website branding? Yes. Track eats. That's not very good. Track, eat, stamp, repeat. I don't like it. Let's see. We got another vote for Alfredo. Huh. Okay, let's see our new logos. Pasta tracker. Nice. I want you to review the top section of the home. Like after you log in, you click home, and it gives you like a greeting and like your passport progress. We have an image on the back there. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of plain. The image of the book is out of place, I feel like. Can you think about what kind of assets we could generate them for that and update that and polish it up, and make sure that it works both on desktop and mobile? The Discover page also has a big green box like that too. Maybe you can review that at the same time. But make them different if you can. And then lastly, when you're on your profile, there's a big green box with all your statuses too. So maybe you can polish that up, move things around if you need to, and generate any assets we might need. I'm not liking it. Yeah, I really don't like it. Like you can tell that you generated the image and just added the words on top below, and they just don't feel like they're a cohesive design. Yo, Joe Gum, how you doing, man? Joe Gum W Quad, glad to see you streaming again. Glad to see you in the chat again. Welcome. Welcome back. He's doing a lot to our shop. Do we still have this running locally? Oh, we do. Perfect. All right, cool. So we could see it while they update. Where is it? Oh, our shop's not down there. Oh, shop's up here now. Okay. Quick ad. Okay, I think that needs work. What are you working on? I'm working on our pasta tracker website and app. We started this 2 nights ago. It's just a little fun side project. You know me, I can't like stay on one thing for too long. So just needed something to break it up a little bit, then I'm gonna go back and hit my main projects harder. Did I try 4.6 yet? Grok? No, I don't have a subscription to Grok. Welcome back, Shane. How are you doing tonight? I did watch some of your video though on it today. That was cool. Good work. Boo. But we're making good progress right now. Installed to your phone success. Let's take a look. I got my phone over here to the right of me, guys. Cool, we got our... I haven't played too much with it yet, but it seems like a major upgrade. Nice. Yeah, as long as you can get your work done, that's what's important, you know? Let's see, I put OAuth right before the stream started. I set up OAuth for the app, guys. That's working now. Okay, looks like it's all there. We're gonna wait. We need to retake the screenshots for the App Store. But I want to wait for this agent because he's redoing some of the those top grids. He's redoing these ones here. Shane says, what are you using to stream on multiple channels? I'm not streaming on multiple channels. I'm just streaming on YouTube. Okay, that's a lot nicer, right? Look at that. I mean, it's a tomato there. I guess it's different. Let's see what does it look like here. I guess that's not bad. Oh, I put like a glass effect on this part here. That's cool. I like that. Okay, I think that's definitely better than what it was. Let's look at Discover. Okay, he's still working. All right, let's take a look here. Track, eat, stamp, repeat. Wait, is that how it was? Track, eat, stamp, repeat. Does that even make sense? Pastatracker.com. It should just be eat, stamp, repeat, I think. Okay, so for this one that you picked, the track, eat, stamp, repeat, I don't even know if tracking is the first step. Like, I think it should just be maybe eat, stamp, repeat. So when we're going through these, like, yeah, they are supposed to be like meme shirts, but think through it as well. You know, for the designs, do they make sense? And like think about like how it's going to be placed on the shirt. Those mock-up shirts, they're just big logos, but maybe you might think like, oh, we'll have a shirt with like a little chest logo or a big logo on the back or a small one in the front, big one on the back. Think through all that. And then I want you to generate a new mock-up here. Okay, it looks like on the local host, I'm getting internal server error. Can you just double check it's good? Yo, what's up? Meme Gian? You're gonna have to help me with that one. Yon? What are you making, buddy? We're working on Pasta Tracker. We're working on Pasta Tracker right now. We're just adding some polish to it. This is it though. You'll be able to track all the pasta you eat. Doesn't that make you excited? What kind of pasta do you like, meme? Polishing the pasta tracker. Pasta tracker, it tracks your pasta intake. You got it. Just like that. Yes, what's your favorite kind of pasta? Linguini. Okay. Linguini. With Alfredo. I'm guessing you picked Alfredo. Look at that. Mr. Meme just joined and he's already #1 on the stream. That's good work. What do you like in your linguine? Alfredo and shrimp. Any pasta with carbs in it, yeah? Like all pasta? Gluten-free pasta, that has carbs, right? Like a shrimp scampi, that's a linguine, right? Linguine's like the spaghetti, but it's like flat, I think. Shrimp scampi with linguine, that's awesome. Yeah. I had a feeling. You know, okay, this pasta tracker, it's made for one specific restaurant. Unfortunately, on their build their own, they don't have linguine. So you'd have to, I guess, stick with spaghetti. So is this your own environment that you created that you're working on? You're talking about the background, right? The Quad Flow? Yes, that is my app. It's just my ADE, if you will. It's an IDE. All these ADEs are just IDEs, you know? But anyways, yeah. It's my custom terminal multiplexer, has some cool features to it. But here, so let's build your spaghetti. Wait, why is there no Alfredo? Am I missing what? Am I missing Alfredo this whole time? That's not right. Here, check this out. Tell me what you think about this, Mr. Meme. Got something for you. How does that make you feel? How does that make you feel, Mr. Meme? Does that make you feel good? Oh, my cat's here, guys. He's gonna attack me again. I know it. Like, this is what we could do with Quad Flow. We could just drop you in right here. We'll put you at the top. Okay, now you're always with us. It's something, I guess. Yeah, that is right. It is something. Okay, what now we're not distracted anymore, right? So let's get back on track. All right, here. Let's see this. All right, so this is what Codex just helped us with. This nice top. Let's see discover. Does it look good? Ooh, that does look good. I like that. I like that a lot. And then this one, the profile one, has its own unique thing to it. That's good. It's good. It's good. Wow. Okay, that's really good. I like those. It's a big improvement. Let's ask him to do it for the passport book. You'll always be in our hearts as the pasta meme man. Did you pacify Mr. Meme? Yes, he's pacified. And I'll do it to you too, Data. Oh, we gotta change this music. Are you fully converted to GPT 5.6? No, I only have a $20 plan. I usually use Claude. The UI is not good. It looks old. I don't know how to say it, but you can use or make a skill for design. Yeah, maybe when I open source it, we can work on the design if people don't like it. I think it's slick. Yeah, it's all right. It does the job. Hey, we got that's you hear guys? You guys heard that sound? That means somebody subscribed. Yep, 1 new subscriber. Look at that. Thank you guys. Data says that he's fully converted. I'm moving off Anthropic this month. Codex Max Plan with API calls to other models. You think there's too much going on in your profile picture to make a good pasta picture? I mean, we can see about that. We can definitely see about that, Data. I'm thinking of it too. I'm using DeepSeek. Okay. Thanks for welcoming. Of course. Yeah, Mr. Meme. You know, I built Quadflow back in February, mostly for me. So, you know, I built it specifically for my workflow, and it works really well for me. What do we have to do now? I got a little distracted with those pictures. Yes. Is Grok good? I haven't heard that much good things about it. It's better than Codex or Fable. Is it? I don't know. I guess I've heard a couple good things. Claude Code is the best ADE in my opinion. Thank you. Thank you for having an opinion. It's good. It is good. Okay. Here you go, Data. There it is. I'll drop both of these inside the Discord server for you guys. Let's do this. Come on. All right, that's good enough. All right, go ahead, commit, and push everything. Users are reporting back huge improvements from 5 to 6 with a fraction of cost compared to Anthropic models. Let's see if we got a new design. Eat, stamp, repeat. How did he make this? Did he make this with Printful? I think he just generated this. Alright, I really don't like it too much. Let's keep it for now, but go ahead and generate like 7 more shirts for me and I'll review them. I don't remember where the signing is. We have a new app icon. Can you make sure that's in place as well? I'll give you the signing key in a little bit here. So we have 67% liking Alfredo, 33% liking marinara. Thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing. Appreciate you guys. For all the new people, appreciate you guys. So are all the terminals connected with each other as like one main team lead and others just agents? Well, yeah, they're all connected through me. That's basically how it works. Yeah, I don't mess with the whole orchestration thing. If I want an agent to orchestrate, I'll have that agent orchestrate and spawn sub-agents within it. So Claude Code does that. I believe ChatGPT does that, or Codex does, but yeah, I don't see the point of having to build that yourself. I'm not in. I don't want to make agent harnesses. Okay, I guess this looks okay. Did you build that chat widget overlay? I did. We built that chat overlay yesterday on stream. Yeah, they're all independent. Can you guys hear me? You can. Master Quad builds everything you see on a screen. Yeah, but everything. Yeah, but I understand, but it can get your costs lower. I give the planning to Fable and give the work to DeepSeek or others so the costing is less. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. If you're using DeepSeek, but I'm using I use Fable as an orchestrator too, but I tell Fable to spawn Opus agents for like main coding and Sonnet agents for mechanical tasks. There should be a new one inside of the TWA folder. Can you just look for that? It's like a green one with a green background. Is it pulling for YouTube API or just scraping OBS chat? It is literally a web page and with CSS built into it or injected into it. Yep. Yeah, like it's loading up. Like if I was to go here and I click pop out chat, it's literally this page right now. Like that, it's the same page. You're using Whisper Flow or you made the talking thing too. Yeah, I made the talking thing. It's called Abe. It's right here. But yeah, so the chat is just this window basically. And how do I pop this back in now? Restore chat. And then it injects CSS to make it look the way it looks. Yeah, I made like a quick teaching this old man some new tricks. Yeah, Claude teaches us all new tricks. I made a quick video on YouTube earlier this week on setting up OBS with Claude Code, and it's basically just talking to Claude. But everything you see on the screen right now, Claude set up for me this week. When I used to stream, like, so this is my third day back streaming. Not that I'm committed to anything long term, but 2 or 3 months ago when I streamed, like the stream didn't have this nice quality to it. I don't know why I didn't wait to ask Claude sooner. Okay, we need to get the app pushed to the phone officially, and then I need him to redo the screenshots. Hold up. Is Alfredo an option in Olive Garden's build your own pasta bowl? I don't know why. It says yes. We have creamy mushroom. Wait, this one's saying 2 years ago. Hold up. Let me check my little book here. Meat sauce, marinara. 5 cheese marinara. Angel hair Alfredo, yeah. Yeah, I'm missing Alfredo. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Alright, I got the new app on my phone now. Looks a lot better. That's kind of a big boo. How can you miss the Alfredo? You know what it was? Maybe it was because it had ranch on there, and maybe it thought it was ranch. I don't know. Like, how did that happen? Okay. But we'll work on that. We'll get it working. This one's good. Pasta la vista, hunger. Little code for pasta. This playlist has interesting variety. Okay, I don't want you to take any screenshots of the icon. It looks good on my side. What I do want is to run the pipeline to regenerate the TWA store screenshots with the frame and everything. So go ahead and do that for me on all the new pages since we made a lot of changes. What happened to Trick or Trav? Where'd he go? You're here? Okay, cool. I just checked to see if you uploaded the game and I didn't see it. That's why I'm asking. Alright, let's play a game while it's loading. Codex trying to sneak in some BS during the port. Okay, good. Yeah, play it locally first. What do we want to play? You gotta really run when you got these power-ups. Oh, I'm getting wrecked. That was it. Oh, Travis got 16k. And I don't know how YH got 926,000. Holy moly. It does be like that. It's so chaotic. Codex or Frogopolis? I don't know if I can focus on this right now. The frog games are my absolute favorite. Yeah, Bob did a really good job on those. I hit a blocker. Before you can capture anything, your phone is locked. Okay, I unlocked my phone. There you go. It's unlocked. Log sample meals, then capture. Oh. It's unlocked. I think we already had like a seeded John account or something. We should be using that for these screenshots. I love Codex because if you're specific, it will do exactly what you want. But then if you aren't always specific, it does some BS. It does do BS. It do be like that. Mr. Meme, you with us? What do you? There you are. Codex is a good buy in terms of design. Claude is good. Wait, good buy. Codex good buy in terms of design. Claude is good. What are you working on, Mr. Meme? Let me check the seeded account setup. Shane, if you're with us, thank you. I see your comment on my other video. Working on a motion graphic video maker, like one-click video production studio with my own IDE. Nice. Very nice. Love to see it sometime, if you want to share. Quick check across the repo for a John account before I respond. Okay. Okay, I really need those photos because it's kind of blocking me from deploying to the App Store. It'll take around 1 month more. Okay, cool. Well, in 1 month, come back. If I'm not here, join the Discord and you could share with us. I see you in there now. Welcome to the lab. This is your welcome image. You're a scientist. We should start making the welcome images in Discord. Pastify people. Okay, let's see which ones of these we like. Okay, these are the ones that I like. I like the in my unlimited era. I really like the Pasta La Vista Hunger one, but instead of having it on the back, I want it on the back and the breast pocket instead of putting the app logo on there. I like the starch is my love language, but put it on the back of the shirt. I like talk pasta to me as well. Keep that on the front. And those are the only ones that I like. Why don't you take one of these, like notate all those down, and then take one of them and create a product inside Printful. Let's see what you could do there. Once you create the product, download real mockups from Printful as well. How are we doing on usage for Codex? 42% left. Okay, I think I'm done with some of these. Premium storefront. Okay, get it out of here. I've been using T3 code pretty heavily lately for work. It integrates with my current harness and is fantastic for monitoring and tracking. For personal, I like to use Cream. You like using Cream? I'm not sure I've ever been given access to QuadFlow. Yeah, of course you have. It's everybody has access to it, but I've never compiled it for Arch Linux, so that might be why you never used it. But on the website, Quad's Lab website, QuadFlow right here. Get the free beta. Get the free beta right there. It's the same thing. Anybody could download it. It's been up there since like April 1st, I think. But we're gonna open source it at some point. Where the famous QuadFlow and Dr. Vibe are available. Where? When? Where? Quad's Lab IO. And oh, let's play a song. I released a banger today, guys. Let's listen to this one.
Yeah. Another terminal. Another era. Another idea that was supposed to take 20 minutes. Claude, you ready? Fix this shit. Oh. I got 3 tabs open and the bill won't run. Started this at
Jillian, hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. Hope you're doing well.
Paste the error back, tell him check that first. Super base broke, authentication dead. Strike through another webhook error instead. I don't know what changed in the last commit, but we're way too deep now, so we're shipping this shit. Bought the domain before I wrote one line. Landing page clean, yeah, the logo looks fine. Then I added accounts, then the leaderboard.
Let's make a new project here. Get something else rolling.
Everybody says, man, you gotta slow down. I got another app, got about a.com. I don't need sleep, I need one clean deploy. Tell the coding agent, run it back, my boy. One more prompt, one more fix, one more build, then we ship. One more bug, one more patch. If it breaks, send it back. I'm gonna prompt till it ships, till the whole damn server can't handle this. I'm gonna prompt till it ships. If the bill turns red, tell the agent fix it. Tokens running low, fans spinning fast. Context getting cooked, don't know how long it'll last. But I got one more feature sitting on my list. I'm gonna prompt till it ships. Vibe, coding magic. When the whole thing clicks, one sentence turns into 1,000 commits. Started with a button and a simple idea. Now there's subscriptions and an admin tier. Mobile first, make the space and clean. Less damn text, make the logo more seen.
It is a banger.
Take half that back, make it feel premium, tight in the stack. Claude says you're right, yeah, obviously. Now delete that section and rebuild it for me. Version 23 was almost alright. Version 24 gonna ship tonight. Got past the past cooking in another tab. Merch store coming, yeah, we're building the brand. People ask me what the roadmap is. Whatever I think of in the next 10 minutes. One more prompt, one more fix, one more build, then we ship. One more bug, one more patch. If it breaks, send it back. I'm gonna prompt till it ships, till the whole damn server can't handle this. I'm gonna prompt till it ships. If the bill turns red, tell the agent fix it.
Jillian just got back from the gym and now getting organized.
How long it'll last, but I got one more feature sitting on my list. I'm gonna prompt till it ships. They said learn the framework. I said tell Claude. They said read the docs. I said tell Claude. They said write the test. I said tell Claude. Production went down. Okay, don't tell Claude. Nah. Tell Claude.
Tell Claude.
Nah. Fix it. Stream goes live and I don't got a plan, just a microphone terminal agent.
How do I feel about truffle pasta? I don't know if I've had that. Is it made out of truffles?
Little screen, 2 hours later it's a sauce machine. Nobody knows what half this code even does, but the button turns green, that's good enough. Commit that shit, push production now. If it breaks, we'll figure that shit out. Technical debt is tomorrow's fight. Tonight we got users and the sites online. And when Claude hits the usage cap, I'll switch the model and bring it right back. Cause you can't stop Quad with the limit like this. I got 5 more agents ready to ship. I'm gonna prompt till it ships, till the whole damn server can't handle this.
The sauce is made from truffles. It sounds great.
If production breaks, tell the agent.
Sounds expensive too.
Tokens running low, fans spinning fast. 5 in the morning, but we're almost past. Every single bug that was sitting on my list, I'm gonna prompt till it ships. Build green, yep. Production live, yep.
Yep.
Everything working, mostly. Shit it. Ship it.
Ship it. There we go. Sorry, we just had to play that, guys. Data, fantastic. I'll probably catch the end of your stream in the morning when I wake up. Yeah, I'll probably usually stop into Jillian whenever I see you there. Sauces from truffles. Time to put truffle pasta on my list of things to try. Same here. Okay, all 8 captured fresh. Oh man, he should put this on the front, the breast pocket. These screenshots have the end down there. You can't use those. The screenshots have the little N from TurboPack, I believe, on the bottom left. We can't have those in our screenshots. Look at this. Claude is making this for us right now. He definitely needs some work. Front and back. Don't use TurboPack, yeah. Back. Okay, we need to get that up there. Next.js Dev Tools End Badge. Yeah, that's what it is. All right, why don't you just continue through each phase, don't stop until you're done, and then do end-to-end testing whenever you feel like it's necessary to continue. Can you review the passport book page itself, and maybe you could think about adding different assets to the passport book itself to make it look better? Music's... I put the game on? Oh, okay, let's take a look. This music's coming to you guys from the Vibe engine, by the way, guys. Let's take a look at Tricker's game here. The Game of Life? Oh, interesting. Cool. We got a score of 0 for security. That's good. This is single player, right? How do I press play? What am I doing right now? Oh, okay. Every time I oh, it's playing itself. But why is it highlighting the squares that I went on? Does that mean anything to me? I think I missed a bonus there. Oh, a weapon. Interesting. Okay. Is based off Conway's Game of Life. Yeah, of course. I guess that first level wasn't... It says the pattern's alive, but... Oh, it just kills itself. That's why. The first level is just easy. So if I sit here... Okay, yeah, it just runs by itself. Where'd our music go? Okay, we'll approve it. Well done. Let's check it out in the feed here. We're gonna add a new games. Travis. Follow Travis. Follow Renee. Nice. We're gonna give it a heart. You targets life cell. There's a sound. Shield unlocked. Oh, the shield's there. Ready. Okay, let me just... Oh, interesting. I want to test it. Oh, okay, yep. It works. Oh, that's your game? Yeah, this is Tricker's game. He just uploaded it and got it. We just approved it on the site, so anybody can go and play it. Here, this is the link if anybody wants to go play. 1, 2, 3. Also do the abilities. Okay. Yep, you're right. It does. Oh, gotta be careful of that dash one. Oh, there it is. We'll give you 5 stars. Well done. Well done. That was nice. Okay, I can't get stuck here for long. Oh, cool. So now that you're on there, Tricker, you get your analytics. So when you go to your analytics page, you'll be able to see kind of like, you should see that I played the game. Let's see. 1 play. Yep, 1 follower, 1 game, 1 play. I think if I restart the game without leaving and coming back, it still counts as 1 game, 1 play. But if I like click on it again, and if I actually start playing, it counts as a play. So just a little heads up, kind of how that counter works. But well done, man. I like it. It's unique. You see it on your dashboard. Cool, cool. Very cool, man. Yeah, we are all having a lot of fun. Actually, that's why I keep switching to this project. This is the Tip Tap Games. We're working on multiplayer. So we're trying to get multiplayer fully live. You probably saw, or your agent probably saw there's multiplayer, but it's not ready yet. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. I appreciate you guys. Tricker, there is a feedback as well. So if you have feedback for me for the platform feedback in the Creator Studio, you can send that as well, and I'll be going through that over the time. So Claude says he's done with these printful things. Let's take another look. Oh, look at that. He did move it up there. Alright, so this man, it's so bright. This product was completely made by Claude. Is that like typical placement? Looks like... Oh, you know what it is? Look how big the bounding box is. So it's like this whole thing has transparent here. So putting it over there where the breast pocket really is, more or less here, it gives an error. Okay. And then the back. The quality is not good enough for a shirt not to sell. There we go. Now we're cooking. All right, these screenshots look good. Charles John, hey, how you doing? You're up late, pasta boy. Yeah, we're just trying to get some work done. Welcome to the stream. All right, let's get these assets here because this is what has been blocking us this whole time. Can I delete these? Okay, here we go. In order, 01, 02, 03, 04, 5, 6 achievements. Number 8. Welcome to the stream, Charles John. How is your night going? You know, technically you're up late too. AI asset declaration. Just driving home from visiting grandma. Thought I'd check in on YouTube and see if there was something to listen to. I hope grandma's doing good. Hope you told her I love her. You could listen to me, I suppose. I talk every once in a while. Must provide a self. I guess I have to say should I mean this whole thing is AI. It's all AI. I guess I have to be honest. App integrity. This is what I need. Go to protected with play. Play integrity API maybe. I need a playlist that doesn't have lyrics. Oh, here we go. Play Store. Protect app signing key. Play app signing. Download certificates. There we go. This is what I need. Okay. Yeah, you could commit those assets. That's not a problem. And I added a new folder inside the TWA folder called the Play Store signing certs or something like that. Has all the certs in there. So why don't you use those as needed to make sure we sign the app appropriately. Just trying to test the app on my phone real quick. Okay, the passport book has been polished. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah, look, he added like the pages are like have things on them. That does look better. How about the green outline for the book? Do you think you can improve that? Okay, guys. We're basically almost done. We're almost ready to publish or click publish. I got to get the app signed and then upload the release and then basically just click ready. I did just share the app signing key though, so unfortunately I have to re-sign it or reset the key and re-sign it. So we'll get that fixed. Not that I don't trust any of you guys watching, but who knows who's gonna watch this after the fact. But let's see. View release overview. Publishing overview. Yeah, we have everything done. Internal. Really test your app with a larger group. Create and publish release. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Or wait, we still have to play the outro, huh? Alright, we'll be here for a few more minutes, so if you guys want to say anything, say it now. It's gonna be a couple more minutes. Okay, let's download the new ones. I'll pop this out. Okay, I had to regenerate the signing keys, so I replaced those files. Can you re-sign it all with these new keys that are in there? Yeah, I say just finish those 3 things. Let's get it all done. Did Mr. Meme ever come back? What he said, be back 15 minutes, didn't he? Data, anything? Okay. Alright guys, the outro is ready.
Yeah. Yeah. Coordination and proud.
Hope you guys enjoyed the stream.
We never log off. Till I log off, man, we do it.
Hope you guys like, subscribe.
Sometimes I sit back.
Appreciate you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Or I'll see you in the Discord. Join the Discord. Because that's where I'm always at. Alright, take care guys. Have a good night.
Cause Quad H don't quit till I log off. And even when I log off, I'm still plotting what comes next. Quad's lab don't stop till the server drops. We building every day until there's nothing left. Till I log off. Till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off. Till I log off. Yeah, I'm coding till the wheels fall off. Till I log off. Starting from the bottom with a terminal in the mic. YouTube grind is real, but every subscriber's hype. Dr. 5 on deck, lab rats in the queue. Got 1,000 ideas and I'm seeing all of them through. They can keep the doubts, I'll just keep the receipts. Every repo push, there's another fit of seats. Quad's lab is the movement of the moment, get it right. We don't sleep on dreams, we deploy them every night. Cause Quad H don't quit till I log off. And even when I log off, I'm still plotting what comes next. greats. Nah, I ain't in the conversation yet, but I'm grinding like I'm next. Put your money on the bet. From the chat to the code to the content to the stage. Quad H, writing history on every single page. So when you see me screaming, know it's more than just a show. It's a lab rap revolution, watch the community grow. Vibe coding ain't a trend, it's a lifestyle and a lane. And Quad's Lab is the name that they're gonna remember, man. I won't stop for the algorithm, won't stop for the haters. Won't stop building tools that turn dreamers into creators. So until the lights go dark and the last commit is made, Quad H stands tall. I was building, I was never afraid.